The Independent National Electoral Commission, Inec, has now rescheduled activities for the 2027 general elections. The announcement was contained in a press statement issued by the Commission, explaining that the review became necessary after the repeal of the Electoral Act 2022 and the enactment of a new legal framework governing pre-election and election timelines. According to the Commission, the Presidential and National Assembly elections, earlier scheduled for February 20, 2027, will now hold on Saturday, January 16, 2027. Similarly, the Governorship and State House of Assembly elections, previously fixed for March 6, 2027, have been moved to Saturday, February 6, 2027. Inec stated that the adjustments were made to ensure full compliance with Electoral Act 2026 as part of the key milestones in the revised timetable. Political party primaries, including the resolution of disputes arising from them, will commence on April 23, 2026 and end on May 30, 2026. Campaigns for presidential and National Assembly elections are set to begin on August 19, 2026, while governorship and state houses of assembly campaigns will commence on September 9, 2026. In line with the law, campaigns are expected to end 24 hours before Election Day. Inec also announced that the Osun State governorship election, earlier fixed for Saturday, August 8, 2026, has been rescheduled to Saturday, August 15, 2026. The Commission noted that while some activities concerning the Ekiti and Osun governorship elections have already been conducted, the remaining processes will strictly follow the provisions of the Electoral Act 2026. Inec called on political parties, stakeholders, and the general public to cooperate in ensuring that the forthcoming elections reflect the sovereign will of the Nigerian.